Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is non-phone data entry, and it seems to pay very well. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, I do want to start and preface this by saying, please, please, please always do your own research on any companies before giving your personal information to them. I do try to do my research and weed out any scams before I share anything, but of course it is possible for things to slip through the cracks, so make sure you're doing your own research as well. And I say that because today's job lead is from the company One Pet. Now, I couldn't find a whole lot of information on One Pet. It looks like they are kind of based out of the Texas area, Dallas, Texas. However, they do have a Glassdoor page, which is promising. They only have 2 reviews, but the 2 reviews that they have are very good, and they have a rating out of those 2 reviews of 4.5 out of 5 stars. And the first review says that the only challenges that they face so far working for this company is that the ones you take responsibility and ownership of, there's challenges in everyday life, so it's no different here. You're going to expect the same challenges at this job as you would at any other, but they said there's a great culture, they have unlimited PTO, and it is 100% remote. The other review said it's great people, remote work before COVID leads itself to asynchronous work, lots of autonomy and responsibility for managers and single contributors. So it's like the same work over and over and over. Some people get bored with that. They did say it felt like the company sometimes didn't have a long-term roadmap. So it kind of looks like this company may be a new startup. However, they are hiring a remote work from home data entry clerk. This is a full-time position, and they do say they pay well, between $25 to $30 an hour. Now, this is going to be completely non-phone. You'll enter and update data accurately and efficiently into the computer systems and databases. You're going to verify and validate the data for completeness, accuracy, and consistency. You'll review and compare the data with the source documents to make sure it is entered correctly. You'll identify and correct any errors or discrepancies. Now, one reason this job may pay higher than other data entry jobs is outside of the data entry piece, you'll also run reports and generate those reports, charts, and graphs based on the data that is inputted, and you'll follow established guidelines and procedures for those record keeping and data entry, and you'll collaborate with your internal team members to resolve any data related issues. So there is a reporting piece to this job. However, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, somebody who has proven experience in data entry or some kind of administrative role. Someone who has great typing skills, can use those Microsoft Office systems, Excel, Word, and database systems. Of course, you have to have that strong attention to detail and great organizational skills. They're looking for somebody who can really be self-motivated and a self-starter. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.